Understanding the phrase, retouching brush. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, retouching brush. This phrase is often used in various contexts, particularly in art and photography. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used in everyday language. Retouching brush consists of two words, retouching and brush. Let's look at each of these words separately. Retouching. This is a verb form that means to improve or repair something by making small changes. It's often used in the context of photographs, paintings, or digital images. Brush. A brush is a tool with bristles, hairs, or wires, used for painting, cleaning, or arranging hair. In our phrase, it refers more to an artistic tool. When combined, retouching brush refers to a tool used for making small improvements or corrections, often in art or digital imagery. 1. In photography and digital art. Here, a retouching brush is a tool, either physical or digital, used to make subtle corrections to images. For example, removing a blemish or enhancing colors. 2. In makeup. It can also refer to a cosmetic tool used to apply makeup for covering imperfections or enhancing features. 3. Figurative use. Sometimes, retouching brush is used figuratively. For instance, someone might say, "Let's give this report a final retouching brush," meaning to review and make final improvements before submission. Let's explore some common phrases. To take a retouching brush to something. This means to make small improvements. Needing a retouching brush. It implies something is good but could be better with minor changes. With a retouching brush, used when describing the process of refining or enhancing something. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, retouching brush, and its various applications in English. It's a great example of how language can be used creatively to describe tools and actions in different contexts. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using this phrase like a native speaker. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.